How to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. To add USDT Tether to your Phantom Wallet, follow these steps. Open your Phantom Wallet application on your device. Navigate to the Assets or Wallet section within the app. Click on the option to add a new token or asset. In the search bar, type USDT or Tether to locate the USDT token. Once found, select the USDT token from the list of available assets. Click on the option to add or import the USDT token to your Phantom Wallet. The wallet will generate a new USDT address for you to receive funds. Copy the generated USDT address provided by your Phantom Wallet. Use this copied address to send USDT tokens from your exchange or another wallet to your Phantom Wallet. Double-check the address to ensure accuracy before initiating the transfer. After the transfer is complete, you should see the USDT tokens reflected in your Phantom Wallet's balance. That's it. Thanks for watching.